Hello everybody, my name is Russell Anderson. Welcome to GearDemo.com. My job at GearDemo.com is to find you the absolute best private instruction I can. And today, for those of you interested in taking your Reaper skills up a couple of notches, I have got just the man for you. His name is Matt Davis. He works out of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and he is amazing. I'm not going to regale you too long with all that he's accomplished and all he's done, because I'm going to rather encourage you to click on the link that I have in our description below and go to his session page. There you'll find he has a YouTube video of what he did with a metal remake of Frozen that is just fantastic. The next step would be to check out his YouTube channel, where he has posted his most recent entry into a Westworld music composing competition. It is jaw-dropping, jaw-dropping. This guy is on another planet. It's amazing. So if you're looking to get started with Reaper, or if you're already in Reaper and looking to take your skills up a couple of notches, Matt Davis is the man. I am telling you, check this guy out. You're going to love it. So again, I'm going to put a link in the description below. Click there, go read about Matt, all that he's done, all that he's doing now. He's a home studio enthusiast, so if you have questions about your own home studio, this guy can help you with that as well. I do want to thank you for checking us out today. We have so many amazing instructors at GearDemo.com. I hope that whatever you're looking to learn, you'll look to see if we have an instructor for you. So until next time, thank you so much. We'll talk with you soon. Hi everybody, I'm Russell Anderson, and my job at GearDemo.com is to find you the absolute best private instruction I can find. At GearDemo.com, we're building a registry of private instructors and tutors from all over the world that teach live via video conference, one-on-one, so that you can study from the comfort of your own home. You can ask your questions and hear their tips, tricks, and solutions to the challenges that you're having. We're off to a fast start with some great teachers. I hope you'll get on over to GearDemo.com and check us out.